Hi, and thank you for watching. Today we are going to be doing a 1x5 Thanksgiving sign. In my last video we did this Halloween sign, so we have the back side that we're going to make for Thanksgiving. This side I chose to stain. First you want to apply your stain with a brush. After I have the whole board covered with stain, I am going to take my rag and I am going to wipe off the excess stain. Then I'm going to let this board dry. I probably will let mine dry for about 24 hours and then I will work on my Cricut to do the design. Okay, my board is dry, so I am going to jump on to Cricut Design Space, start a new project. I want my sign to say give thanks, so I'm going to go ahead and type out my first word. Then I want to choose which font that I'd like. Sometimes you have to look at a few, preview it to give you an idea what it's going to look like on your sign. Here we go, this is the one I like. So now I am going to set the size of my lettering. Now I am going to cut my permanent vinyl to the size of my lettering to conserve paper. Ready to hook up my Cricut, open it up, power it on, make sure it is set to vinyl. Go ahead and hit continue. It'll tell me to load my paper, load my mat. So it's already cut it. Now I'm pulling it off my mat and then I am pulling the excess vinyl off, and then I'm going to take my weeding tool and I'm going to weed just that one letter. Then I'm going to cut a piece of transfer tape and apply that on top of what I just cut. You want to take your scraper and press that on. Peel the back off, place it on your sign. You want to take your scraper and just rub, your rubbing tool, and rub the letters down firmly. Peel your transfer tape off. And voila, I have my first word. So I went ahead and did that with my second word. Now I want a cute little pumpkin because it is going to be for fall, for Thanksgiving. So there's my cute little pumpkin. I did the same thing. And here's my finished product. I added some cute leaves. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.